Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edibles. Today we are going to pop some corn. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's dive in. I got my pan on fire. I put in 1 tablespoon of butter, and this is salted butter. Allow it to melt. And then pour in my kernels. I'll be using 3/4 cup, okay? I'm doing this on a medium heat, but as soon as a kernel pops, I will then regulate my heat back to low. And as you can see, it has started popping, so at this point my heat is back to low. Let me share a secret with you. If you want to get a very nice popcorn, then lift your pan a little bit away from the heat and then shake it. This will make the popcorn float on top and then the kernels settle down, and that will prevent the popcorn from burning. So this is just my little secret, and I know most of you already know this. So I lift my pan up again. I don't want any burns. And at this point, I guess my popcorn is ready because I can't hear any pop sound. And that tells me that, yeah, we are done with this part. So as soon as you take your pan from the heat, just transfer it into a different thing, okay? Don't allow it to keep long in the pan as it will burn. We don't have popcorn machine, but we have found our way out. Mariam Edibles, we hold solution to every problem. So lovely, take a look. No burns, like everything is on point. We have done a great job. So let's melt some sugar. Some people want their popcorn plain, others one is salty, and others one is sweet. And today we are going in for sweet. And because we are not using popcorn machine, we have to poke the corn first, and then we melt the sugar too separately and then add it to the popcorn, okay? That is the only way you can do to prevent burning. So I'm done with the melting and then add it to my popcorn, and I have to be very fast because if the melted sugar cools down, it's going to solidify and it may not get to all the popcorn. So as soon as you pour in your melted sugar, be fast and then stir everything together so that the sweetness gets everywhere. It's like my bowl is small for this, but let's manage with it. We are almost there. And voila, we have gotten something uniform, so perfect. And there you go. Do you have some milk powder? Spread that on it and then enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.